Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make oil stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions for the base, along with your choice of protein such as beef, chicken, or fish. Don't forget the palm oil, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare the flavorful base for our oil stew. Start by blending your fresh tomatoes, bell peppers, and 1 onion until you achieve a smooth consistency. Next, dice the remaining onion finely. This will be sautéed later to add depth. If you're using meat or fish, boil your chosen protein until it's tender and cooked through, then set it aside. This preparation ensures everything is ready for the next step. It's time to cook our delicious oil stew. Heat about 2 cups of palm oil in a large pot over medium heat until it becomes clear. Carefully add the diced onions and sauté them until they are fragrant and translucent. Now, pour in your blended tomato and pepper mixture, cooking it for approximately 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, add your cooked protein and seasonings, letting it simmer for another 10 minutes to meld the flavors. Your incredible oil stew is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with your favorite accompaniments like rice, boiled yam, or fried plantains. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh parsley or a light sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful oil stew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.